From today, New Zealand-grown medicinal cannabis can be prescribed here for the first time.
The Ministry of Health has just approved New Zealand-grown and manufactured medicines, so Kiwis no longer have to rely on imported medicinal cannabis.
And it's good news during the cost of living crisis because the Kiwi-grown variants are expected to be 50% cheaper. Alexa Cook has this exclusive story.
This green gold has been given the green light by health officials to be turned into medicine for Kiwi patients.
It's something that the whole industry has been working towards.
For 4 years.
It's a really, really big deal for New Zealand medicinal cannabis. This is the first time we have genuinely homegrown product.
New Zealand has about 35 medicinal cannabis companies, and Newshub was given an exclusive tour of the largest one.
We extract the active ingredient known as the cannabinoids from the plant and then formulate that into a medicine.
The plants are supplied by Puro, New Zealand's only organic medicinal cannabis grower, and although it looks like marijuana, it isn't.
There's no psychotropic impact or, there's no recreational benefit, and no, you cannot get high off this.
Medicinal cannabis has been imported here since 2017 after it was legalised for use. And now the Ministry of Health has approved New Zealand-grown products for prescription by any doctor in the country. Doctors who are seeing huge benefits for patients of all ages, with conditions including chronic pain, anxiety and epilepsy.
Cannabis-based products and CBD oil works by acting on that hormonal system and bringing the body back into balance where it needs to be.
But educating health professionals and patients can be hard.
There are plenty of misconceptions in New Zealand about medicinal cannabis. I believe it's a very misunderstood product. It's a very misunderstood medicine.
The Ministry of Health is in charge of approving medicinal cannabis products. They have to meet the minimum quality standards under the Misuse of Drugs Act. And approval for these locally grown products is expected to cut patient costs in half.
It's a massive price drop, and it's making New Zealand medicines affordable for Kiwi patients.
Which is expected to result in a surge in prescriptions. Alexa Cook, Newshub.